Hey everyone, I'm the Off-Grid Vegan Chef, and in today's episode we're making some bad mother chips and salsa. From scratch, baby! I gotta stop doing voices. That sounded so stupid. First we'll make the tortilla chips. I'll start off by adding 2 cups of masa flour to a mixing bowl, along with 2 cups of water. Then I'll whisk it thoroughly with a fork, and then shape the dough into a ball with my hands, just like making pizza dough. Now I'll just let that chill for 5 or 10 minutes. After that's rested, I begin breaking off little pieces and rolling them into small balls about the size of a ping pong. Now I'm going to use my handy dandy tortilla press to flatten the balls between 2 pieces of parchment paper. And voila! There we go. If you don't have a tortilla press, you can simply use your hands to form the balls into small discs like so. They won't look as pretty, but they'll work just fine. Now I'm going to cook the tortillas by lightly browning them on each side in a hot cast iron pan. Don't you break on me, you son of a Whew. Then just stack them on a plate and let them cool down. My tortillas are rather small, so I'm only going to cut them into half circles, which would be the perfect size chip for dipping. Adios mio, that took a long time. I filled the cast iron pan with about ½ an inch of peanut oil, and now I'm just going to fry these puppies until they're a lovely shade of golden brown. Man, don't you just want to stick your face in there like you're bobbing for apples? Once the chips look nice and crispy, I transfer them to a bowl lined with paper towels, sprinkle some adobo seasoning on them, and repeat the process until all the chips are finished. Oh yeah, look how good those look. To make the salsa, I start off by dicing up a bunch of tomatoes. I've got 8 Roma tomatoes here. Then I transfer them to a large bowl. Then dice up 1 small red onion, 2 cloves of garlic, a whole bunch of cilantro, add some salt, a little cracked pepper, a big spoonful of our smoked habanero hot sauce. You could use any hot sauce, or you could just use lime juice if you don't want it to be spicy. Give it a good stir, and voila, there's our finished chips and salsa. Man, I am so excited to try this. These look really good. This might finally be a recipe that I didn't screw up. It was a lot of work, but I know this is going to be good. Sorry my hand is blocking the camera. I'm such a damn idiot. Use a spoon to get some on here. Come on. Here we go. Alright. Oh yeah. That's good. That is really good. Woo, baby. Oh, those chips are so crunchy and tasty. Such a good combination with the salsa. Yeah, this one, I think I really outdid myself, everyone. I think I really nailed this one. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, let me get another one here. Gotta get a lot of salsa on this one. Load it up. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh, damn it. Oh, come on. This is so embarrassing. Just cut the friggin' camera. Hey everyone, it's me. Hey, thank you so much for watching that video. Please don't forget to smash the like button, click the subscribe button, click the bell notification. Also, don't forget to follow me on Patreon, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, Snapchat, WhatsApp. Um, did I say Pinterest? Yeah, I said Pinterest, right? Oh, SoundCloud, Spotify, and many more. Also, I could really use some help moving furniture this weekend. I know it's a big favor to ask, but I'm out here all by myself, and I gotta move this furniture. If you could help me out, just send me a message. I'll send you my address, and make sure when you come down here, you've got your ID, social security card, birth certificate, passport, because I'm in Mexico, so I don't want you to have a hard time getting back into the States. And I might also need a ride to the airport, but we'll talk about that when you get here. Don't don't worry about that. I'll figure something out. We can talk when you get here. Okay. All right. Thanks, guys. Thanks so much. Bye.